Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're starting off this series with India. Yup. Okay, so right into it. The top color represents the strength and courage of the country. The white represents peace. The green is for fertility, and the blue wheel on the flag is just representing of the chakras that we have. Okay, so for their motto, it is truth alone triumphs. I'm going to leave their national animal in the video, so anywhere you see that emoji pop up in the video, just comment it down below and I'll let you know if you're correct or not. So for today's set, it's going to be an easy and quick one. It's going to be based off the flag. My index and pinky finger will be green, and then my middle and ring finger will have an ombre design on it, which is the color of the flag, plus the circle that is in the middle of the Indian flag. So now that we have the design out of the way, we're gonna go in and talk about the 10 random facts that I found out about India. So starting off strong, diamonds were first mined in India. Yes, diamond. And in my last video where we talked about Uzbekistan, we know that gold was mined, or it is mined in Uzbekistan, and it's one of the world's largest, it has one of the world's largest gold mine. And here we have diamonds that are mined in India. So yeah, they are also known as the country of spice, where approximately 70% of the world's spice comes from India. So spices like saffron, turmeric, chili powder, and cumin, those all come from India. And this one actually blew my mind. Their calendar has 6 seasons. I only know about 4, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people only know about 4 seasons, but their Hindu calendar has 6, and it is spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, pre-winter, and then winter. So yeah, pre-winter is basically just that period between autumn and winter. So it's just that prep for winter basically. Yeah. Okay. So they have a spa, right? And it's just for elephants. Just for elephants. Look at this video. Yep, so that elephant is having the time of his life right there. Okay, so cows are actually sacred in India, and it is the only country to have a Bill of Rights just for cows. That basically means you can't sell or slaughter cows in their country. So, yep. And they are the second largest English speaking country in the world. I would have never guessed, honestly. Yoga was also invented from India, and it exists over 5,000 years, so they say. But yeah, they also have a mysterious anti-gravity hill, and it's called the Magnetic Hill. So I have a little video here, and I'll leave the link in the description below as well, where basically, like, you're in your car, it's shut off, and when you get to a point, like, the hill starts to pull the car upwards, like it's going uphill by a magnetic force. So it's some kind of scientific thingy that's causing that to happen. But it's cool. It's a nice place to check out. Okay, so India actually invented chess, which I do love chess, and they also invented snakes and ladder. I did love that game as a kid. Yeah. Also, the USB was invented by an Indian American, so that's cool. And then last but not least, right, there's a Himalayan blue sheep that can only be found in India. Now, when I hear sheep, this is what I'm thinking about, right? Okay. And when I hear Himalayan blue sheep, this is what I'm thinking about. But what it actually is this. But hey, it's still a fun fact. And that's all I have for today. But an honorable mention is their how they dress. Absolutely love their clothing, their jewelry. It's really beautiful. Their patterns. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, those are some things about India that I didn't know. Which one kind of blew your mind? Definitely has to be, for me, definitely has to be the 6 seasons, and probably the Bill of Rights for the cows as well. Okay, so I'll be adding just a little bit more symbols into this set. And on the pinky nail, I'm gonna be doing a pattern, not representing anything specific, but on the bottom of the nail, you'll see me attempt to draw a symbol that is the sacred symbol representing the universe or the ultimate reality, according to the Indians. And I believe it's pronounced Om or Om. And yeah, that's what that symbol is. And below it, you'll have the lotus flower, which represents beauty, prosperity, and fertility. So yeah, that's what that symbol is. And then on the index finger is gonna be a pattern, just a random pattern I created with a gold gel polish. And yeah, that will basically wrap it up for this nail set. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you haven't seen the 10 random facts I did on Uzbekistan, go check it out, guys. Right after this video, go check it out. And hit the like button, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.
hit me up on a late night. I've been driving to the west side. Say you want it just one time. Gotta hit it, baby, 2 times. Don't wanna beg for you to come through. If you don't fuck with me, then what you doing? Got my bitches and we out here cruising. If you ain't with it, then you know you're losing. Ooh, you got me thinking about all the things I do with you. You got me thinking about all the things I do for you. You got me thinking about all the things I do with you. You got me thinking about all the things I do for you. Won't you be mine? Fucking on you when I have none. Try my best to be a good one. You know I'll be chasing diamonds, but I'm feeling this connection. Do you want me like I want you? Yeah. Do you need me like I need you? All my demons seem to haunt me, but they're gone when I'm with you. You know that we got it bad, we got it bad.